even though you are keeping them away, but are we having the good, loving vibrations towards that person? That is important. Okay, that's what we need to check. If you think of anyone in the universe, the universe is a reflection of our own inner self, right? And are we having the loving vibrations? That's all. Okay, it's not like if you wanted to keep him away, keep any people away, that's okay. That's absolutely right. Okay, that's what we are getting the intuition, that we are getting the feeling. We respect the feeling. But the thing is, after you keep anyone away, because everybody needs certain privacy, certain space. Okay, once you come into your space, now you got a call and you just didn't reflect, you didn't pick the call. Okay, and you told the message that I'm occupied, I'll be calling tomorrow. Okay, or leave me the text. You did that, and afterwards, but still, while typing it or after that, how are your feelings? If those persons are carrying forward the negative vibes, but are you getting affected by the negative vibes? Then I would not agree that. I would say that the other persons should get affected with your positive vibes. You should not get the affected with the negative vibes. That's what the formulas I was telling is. First one is human consciousness, master consciousness. Third thing is great master, grand master. Four consciousness. Okay, if you say the negative, most people, if you say that's like always negative people, that's like Rakshasa consciousness, always negative, for example. Okay, this is Rakshasa consciousness, always negative, 24 hours as much as possible, like most of the time. Even the Rakshasa also cannot be always negative. Sometimes like half an hour also, at least without a half an hour being positive, one cannot survive. Even the Rakshasa, at most bad and negative most person also in the earth, if a baby is there, the 2 year or 3-year-old baby, they go to that baby, they'll also be smiling, hey, how are you, like that. No? They also do that, because otherwise they cannot survive on the earth. Okay, but I'm talking about okay, one negative most frequency. You know, they are there in the negative frequency for a long time. Okay, human consciousness is they are positive. When the positive environment is there, they get affected with the negative environment, negative people. That's called human consciousness. It tends like positive, it tends negative. Human consciousness, okay, because they are getting easily affected by the external circumstances, external situations, external people, vibrations. Okay, that's called human consciousness. Next thing is master consciousness. Master consciousness is master is a 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 master. He is never affected with the external circumstances of people or external negativity. He knows how to balance. Master knows how to balance every time himself or herself. So always in a positive vibration, always they're not affected. If you take this master and keep the master in the utmost negative most place in the situation on the earth, total earth, but he knows how to balance his emotions, his energy. That's what he's called master. The master is not affected with the external situations. He or she maintain the energy, maintain the positiveness always. That's called mastery. Okay? The great master, next thing is great master. Great master is not only getting affected with others, but also because he's a great master, emitting positive vibration, overflowing is happening. Others will get affected. Other negative people, other situation, environment, the surrounding people, the earth, the total. The positivity of the master, great master, is overflowing. So people around him or them are getting affected. The great master starts with the people, 1 or 2 people getting affected positively will be changing. The greater the master is, hundreds of people, thousands of people will be getting affected with this aura and positive energy. This is called great master. Then the grand master. Grand master is beyond. We cannot talk about him. Grand master is neither positive nor negative. He's beyond all of these things. He's represented the God himself, so he understood the God completely. So Grandmaster is the one. He's like if he wants, he can turn like all the earth people in a positive frequency within fraction of second. 1 second, he can bring such a yoga into earth. Within 1 second, the Grandmaster can create the another earth and another people like with the such a. That's called Grandmaster. But he's playing. He's in playing playful consciousness. For him, negatives and positives, he only created, right? Positive, everything, negatives and positives are both a friend. Like looks like opposites. He only created for just duality. The positives and negatives fight with each other and grow mutually, and everything, like many things. That's the Grand Master is the Godhood itself. So God means always everything is part of the God. In the God only the negativity is there. Negativity is nothing. And God only created negativity because he himself sees the negativity also part of. That's also beautiful. The Grand Master is completely out of the system. Completely, he is only the system. So everything is beautiful for him. He enjoys how much the positivity one person is enjoying. He enjoys the negativity also. Then because both are his creations only. How much you like the right hand, you like the left hand also the same way, because these two hands are part of you. No, there is no differentiation, no partiality towards right hand. Right hand is doing probably the good things. Left hand is cleaning certain. We use certain purposes to clean. When we go to a toilet, we clean the left hand. But we do not have the partiality towards any. Right hand only good, left hand is not good, because that's all part of you. That's what Grandmaster and that's what Godhood is. Okay, very beyond, like higher than all these things. Okay? So we are in this course. This course is the first step towards the Grand Mastery. Okay, so and just have that in your mind. Okay, these all the frequencies, 5 frequencies. Okay, this is called think globally, and act locally. Always this beautiful sentence. I like it a lot actually. So think globally, act locally. It's not like just you have it in your mind, frequency. You know the concept. It is we are always the God in a whole supreme. God is here. I am the oneness. I am in oneness with the God. Okay, God is inside me, and I am inside everything. Okay, that's Aham Brahm. That's what Vedas quotations are beautiful. Beautiful, utmost power it's giving. All Hindus is Vedas. Okay, Mahavakya, Veda Mahavakyas are saying Aham Brahmasmi. I am the God, complete Brahmasmi. Aham Brahmasmi. Okay, Tattvamasi. I am that. I'm not only this, I am that. I am everything. That's called Aham Tattvamasi. Sarvam Kalvidam Brahma. Everything is part of the Brahma. Everything together, all together. All the universes is only one thing, that is me. Okay, Aham Brahmasmi. Okay, Sarvam Kalvidam Brahma. Mamatma Sarvabhutatma. That means it's not only my soul is the Sarvabhutatma. Everything is me only. That's what these are the Mahavaksha. Prajnana Brahma. All the wisdom is Brahma, and that is me. I got all the wisdom. Ananda Brahma. This I am the blissful. These are the greatest pointers we got. Veda like a Mahavakyas. These all are core, ingrained into our soul and ingrained into our being. Being you need to take those things. Okay, so still, okay, these are called. Keep these things in your being. Then this think globally. Keep these things, and of course act locally, because certain things we are going towards that. We are on the path of that. But at times, whatever you're dealing, deal accordingly. Also, but where are we going? The intention is minimum thing is complete positivity towards positive vibration, love towards every being, whomever we see. Okay, the Grandmaster is we see irrespective of their gunas, character, irrespective of their energy, negative energy, irrespective. We see the God inside them. We love them. They are also part of our. They are also like our children. They are also part of our own body. Okay, left hand, right hand. We love this left hand also. Everyone is. We are only. They are the reflection of us. That's what they say. But I say that they're part of us. Some people say that they are the reflection. Everything is a reflection of you. But I would say that everyone is we only everyone. That's what we realize. Okay, I realized it, and I'm sharing that. At the same time, feel it, take this understanding, and implement according to your situation. Okay,